In previous episodes, you have seen how we have reached to Machhapuchhre base camp. This episode is continuation of our journey of 5th day and taking you to the base of world deadliest mountain. So this might take 2 hours and we are heading towards ABC finally. After getting a first glance of it, my eyes were wide open. A big, huge, massive mountain was just in front of me. As I was getting closer, Annapurna was getting bigger and bigger. This is my first such a close meeting with the 8000er. Yes, the deadliest mountain in the world. Finally, I am about to reach Annapurna Basecamp. You can see this magnificent mountains and the glaciers. These are amazing. These are the scenes which I haven't seen before. The 8000ers, so beautiful. Just take a look. I thought it may vanish with my touch. I speed up because I was very curious to touch it. Finally, I made it to Annapurna Basecamp. I didn't even imagine that this will be so beautiful and this will be such a 360 panoramic view and with such a massive mountains. As I am in more love with camping, but adopting a tea house culture was something different. I was very much prepared to accept these challenges. I ran on this trail with 14 kg on my back and holding a tripod. I tried to capture all these moments and I am taking back memories of lifetime. So we finally completed our Annapurna Basecamp track, and I would like to tell you that the track is not only completing till base camp, it's a huge challenge to come back again to your base at Pokhara. It needs a lot of energy to come back again, and we have our energy to coming back to Pokhara. We are running. We made it.
Here I end this story with a note that I will definitely come up with a new story after completing my next journey to the mountain, because I know mountains are calling.